Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Video Unique, and today we're just going to see how to get this world clock widget on your mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So how to get this world clock widget on your home screen on your Android, just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, update your Google Clock Widget application on the Play Store. After doing this, you just need to open this and just add whatever the location you just needed. So I just added 3 different time zone. So you just need to long press on your home screen first and just choose the widget option. Just scroll down to the bottom section, you can find the option called clock. Click on the clock section and just swipe to the side, and you can find the world. So just long press and drag it and drop it on your home screen wherever you just need it. So after just dropping it, you have to choose a 2 clock style. The one was a solid and another one was a transparent. Just going with the solid, which actually get a modern look. So just long press on the screen, so you can just resize the different type of the size of the widget, so it will be placement like this. So if you like this, just do this. And I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech With Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.